Hi guys, welcome to Tales and Tips Africa. My name is Jenny and it's great to have you here. So today I want to show you how to open a new Gmail account. So without wasting time, I will take you back to the screen view so that you see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, okay? Alright guys, so we are back. So the first thing to do is to go to your open Google Chrome. Alright, so go to your Gmail. This is mine is already open. Okay. So now to open a new account, you just click on this one because I'm already signed in. So the only thing I can do now is to click on my profile picture, which is this here. Okay. In the top right corner, then select, you click on it. Okay. So click on, you scroll down, then click on add another account. That's because I'm signed in. Okay. So use another account. You click on it. Okay. Once here, you click on create account. Since we want to create a new account. So you have options here. The first one is for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. So I'm choosing for my personal use. Depending on your purpose, you can choose for business, if you have, maybe if you want to use it for your company or whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so this form is out. The first one to fill is first name, then the second one is surname, which is optional. Okay, so we fill the first name, then the surname. Remember, this is optional. You can decide to leave it. Okay, so click on next. Then you fill your date of birth, month, year, everything, gender. So gender, we put female. Day, we can decide to put 20th month, January or February. Year, let's say 1987. Okay, let's change this to November. Okay, so click on next. All right, so I have, they gave you options here. Okay, for your Gmail address. If you want any of them, you can pick any of them, but if you don't like any of them, then create your own Gmail address. You click on it, then type the name you want. Okay, so let me choose JLoras 3001 at gmail.com. Okay, click on next. Sorry, only letters. It is okay, 01 and periods are allowed. All right. Okay, so click on, oh, sorry, I put something here. Okay, I added at gmail.com 0001. Okay, then next. All right, now to put password, you can decide to add you can decide to add, maybe use your name, then some numbers, and probably a letter, sorry, a symbol. Okay, let's see if we can confirm that. Okay, then click on next. Okay, you have to add your recovery email. Okay, I want to use my previous email, the one I'm already using for YouTube. So let me just add that one. 3001 at gmail.com. Okay, then click on next. You can decide to skip it, by the way. Oh, at gmail.com. All right. Okay, so review your account information. You can use this email address to sign in later. All right, so click on next. Okay, then click on I agree. These are the terms and conditions. That is your Gmail terms and conditions. So you just have to agree. All right, so our new Gmail has been opened. Okay, all right guys, so now we have succeeded in opening a new Gmail account. So now we can decide to customize this new account, which is optional, by the way. So you can decide to set a profile picture, theme, and other personalization options. So in case you want to do that, you go to your profile picture here. Remember, this is our new Gmail account. So you click here, then come down here, click on manage your Google account. So this is where you set everything, you customize your account. So you may want to set a new profile picture, change it from this J to maybe one of the pictures you have in your system. So you click on it, then come down here, see where they wrote add profile picture, you click on it. Okay, you can decide to choose one of these illustrations, or you can decide to go to your system and pick one of your pictures. Okay, so you can see it here, upload from your computer, take a picture. So if you want to take a picture, you can click on take a picture. If you want to upload from your system, you click upload from your computer. All right, so let's go back. Okay, so this is where you add a recovery phone number. Okay, this is where you set your home address. So you have so many things you can do here. You can go to personal info, even decide to change any of those things we added before, like your profile info, everything, your name. You can decide to change so many things here. All right, guys. So your second Gmail account is now ready to use. You can easily switch between accounts by clicking your profile picture here, see, and selecting the desired account you want. So I have this, I have this, I have this. This is the one I'm currently using, which is the reason why they didn't put a sign in or remove here. So I can decide to sign into this account. I can decide to sign into this other account. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in my next video, which is, by the way, going to be about how to create a new YouTube channel with a different Gmail, okay, which is going to be very important, because if something happens to your current YouTube account and you have just only one channel, it's going to affect every other channel using that Gmail. So it's always good to have a second Gmail account and create a new YouTube account using that second Gmail account, so that if something happens to this YouTube channel, nothing happens to the other, your second YouTube channel. So you're going to use this one like a backup. You understand? So, and please, guys, let us know your thoughts. This is very important to me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and feel free to share this video with someone who you know or you think might enjoy it. Okay? So until next time, take care, guys. Bye.